Welcome back to the channel, and if you guys are new here, my name is Chris. Welcome to Step by Step Trading. The purpose of this channel is to help individuals like yourself get a clear understanding of how to trade and help you to make better trading habits and help you to become a more profitable trader. So if this interests you, feel free to subscribe to the channel down below, and if you gain any value from this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you slap that thumbs up button. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm and helps to get this video out to persons like yourself who can gain a lot of value from it. So without further ado, we're going to jump right in. Today we're going to be talking about ticker symbol HOME. That's Home at Home Group Incorporated. So if you're looking at my screen, we're going to talk about a potential opportunity that Home will present to us. So as you always know, my tip when trading is always using the 180-day time frame. Now, right now, if we're looking at Home on the 5-minute daily, that's what's on the screen right now. If you're looking at the 5-minute daily chart, you're gonna look at it and you're not gonna know really what to do. It doesn't give us enough information in order for us to determine where would be a good buy and where would be a good sell opportunity on Home. However, if you zoom out and if you look at a larger time frame, that's where you will be able to get a lot of value as to where you can identify good support and resistance area. So we're going to go ahead and zoom out on our chart, and we're going to look at the 180-day 4-hour time frame. And now when we look at this 4-hour time frame, now we could get a glimpse at the bigger picture, and now we could look at this chart and start plotting support and resistance and identify key buying and selling opportunities. So if we're looking at this chart on the 180-day 4-hour time frame, instantly from the beginning we can see that Home had a peak of 24.57. Now, with that being the case as well, we see that there was a peak in this general area as well, which is around the $23 price range. So we want to incorporate that with the previous peak. That way we could better see a nice consistent resistance area. So we're going to go ahead and plot our line right here. So we could see we had a peak out here, we had a peak, we had a peak, we had a peak. Now on the flip side, now we're going to look for support. So looking at the chart, where is an area that you see was attempted multiple times? The price came down to, held it, went back up. Price came back down, held it, and went back up. Well, if you're looking at the screen right now, we could see that happened here. So we see it happen here, here, and here. So if we draw our support lines, we could see exactly that. We could see that Home pushed up 24.57, was rejected, came back down to the general $14 price point, pushed back up again, came back down to that general support area, $14 once again, pushed back up to 24.57, attempted that once, attempted that twice, attempted that 3 times, then was rejected, came back down to where? That general support area of $14. Home then pushed back up again to $20 before it got rejected and started coming back down again. So the question is, based on previous patterns, if you're looking at the chart, we see there was a support here, $14, a support here, $14, a support here, $14, a support here, $14. We see where the price point is right now. Currently, Home is at $16.11. What I'm going to do, I am going to wait for that perfect support opportunity to present itself at that general $14 price point, and at that time I will determine if I would get a position, because based off of previous patterns, stocks tend to repeat themselves based off of previous patterns, but they certainly do not have to. So it's up to each and every one of us to use proper risk management when trading these stocks. Now, based off of previous patterns, I will be looking for a good buying opportunity at that $14 price range. Once I see the price has approached that, I have seen some consolidation there, and I see that the stock has continued to make higher highs and higher lows from that $14 price point. then at that time I will consider getting a position in on home. So I hope this video was able to bring you some value. Like we mentioned, it's always a good idea when identifying support and resistance to use that 180-day time frame. And from there, once you use that 180-day time frame, you can set yourself up. That way you're set perfectly for success with your trades. So guys, if this video brought you any value, go ahead and leave a thumbs up down below, and feel free to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in our next video.